Welcome to the fascinating world of sleep. By understanding your sleep cycle and implementing simple yet powerful strategies, you can transform your nights and your days. This journey is about reclaiming your natural rhythm, boosting your energy, and optimizing your health. We'll delve into the different stages of sleep, understanding how each one contributes to your overall health. From the physical repairs happening during deep sleep to the mental clarity that comes with a good night's rest, you'll discover the incredible healing power of sleep. We'll explore practical tips to optimize your sleep environment, establishing a soothing nighttime routine that signals your body it's time to unwind. Get ready to say goodbye to restless nights and embrace the rejuvenating power of sleep. Let's embark on this journey together. Sleep isn't a single state. It's a beautifully orchestrated cycle with distinct stages. Think of it like a symphony, with its different movements creating a harmonious whole. The first stage, light sleep, eases you from wakefulness into drowsiness. Your muscles relax and your heart rate slows. Then comes deep sleep, where your body repairs and rejuvenates. Finally, REM sleep, with vivid dreams and rapid eye movements. Sleep is not merely a period of rest. It's essential for maintaining and restoring your physical health. During sleep, your body repairs tissues, strengthens your immune system, and regulates vital functions. Deep sleep plays a crucial role in physical restoration. Growth hormone released during deep sleep stimulates cell repair and growth. Your immune system gets a boost, producing proteins to fight infection. Sleep regulates metabolism and hormone production, essential for long-term well-being. Sleep is not just about physical restoration. It's also crucial for maintaining a sharp mind, emotional well-being, and cognitive function. Just as your body needs sleep to repair and rebuild, your brain relies on sleep to consolidate memories, process emotions, and enhance cognitive performance. During sleep, your brain works tirelessly to process and store information gathered throughout the day. It's like your brain's own filing system, organizing and consolidating memories for long-term storage. REM sleep, in particular, is thought to help us process emotions and regulate our mood. During this stage, our brains work through emotional experiences, reducing their intensity and helping us wake up feeling more balanced and emotionally resilient. When we're sleep deprived, our brains are essentially running on fumes, making it difficult to focus, think clearly, and make sound judgments. Prioritizing sleep is like giving your brain a much-needed mental tune-up. Section 5. Crafting your sleep sanctuary. Tips for optimal sleep. Creating the ideal sleep environment is crucial for signaling to your body that it's time to unwind and transition into a restful night's sleep. Think of your bedroom as a sanctuary for sleep, a place where you can escape the stresses of the day and embrace the restorative power of slumber. Start by optimizing your sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Darkness signals your brain to produce melatonin, the sleep-regulating hormone, while a cool room temperature promotes deeper, more restful sleep. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to minimize sleep disruptions. Your bed should be a haven of comfort and support. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide adequate support for your body. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Preparing your mind and body for sleep is crucial. Incorporating relaxation techniques can quiet your mind and release tension. Mindfulness meditation reduces racing thoughts. Focus on your breath and gently guide your attention back. Gentle yoga or stretching releases physical tension. Deep breathing calms your nervous system. These techniques create a powerful bedtime ritual. Believe it or not, what you eat and drink can significantly impact your sleep quality. While a balanced diet is essential for overall health, certain foods can promote sleep, while others can disrupt it. By making mindful food choices, you can nourish your body and set the stage for a restful night's sleep. Foods rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, can promote sleepiness. Include tryptophan-rich foods in your diet, such as turkey, chicken, eggs, nuts, and seeds. Enjoy these foods in the evening to boost your body's natural sleep-promoting mechanisms. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, provide a steady release of energy, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes that can interfere with sleep. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and sleep quality. By making mindful food choices and nourishing your body with sleep-promoting nutrients, you can optimize your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed and energized each morning. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards understanding and improving your sleep. You've learned about the stages of sleep, the physical and mental benefits of quality rest, and how to optimize your sleep environment and nighttime routine. But this is just the beginning of your journey towards optimal sleep wellness. As you delve deeper into the world of sleep, you'll discover a wealth of knowledge and resources to further enhance your sleep. Explore the fascinating connection between sleep and specific health conditions such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome. Consider incorporating sleep tracking devices or apps into your routine. These tools can provide valuable insights into your sleep patterns, helping you identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified sleep specialist if you're struggling with chronic sleep issues. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of sleep. Remember, prioritizing sleep is not a luxury. It's an investment in your physical and mental well-being. By understanding your sleep cycle, creating a sleep-conducive environment, and adopting healthy sleep habits, you can unlock the transformative power of truly restorative rest. Subscribe now to receive more insights, practical tips, and the latest research on sleep delivered straight to your inbox. Join the sleep revolution and experience the difference that quality sleep can make in your life. Together, let's make sleep a priority and awaken our full potential.